How to convert .doc and .docs files in .odt file type. Visit our website www.lantechsoft.com. Search batchword to ODT converter. Click free trial and download software. Extract the downloaded file and install software in PC. Enter login details and click Login button. Click Add Files or Add Folder button to add files. Click Start Conversion to convert files. Steps to convert .doc files in .odt files. Step 1. Download and install software. Step 2. Login software. Step 3. Add files. Step 4. Start conversion. For more details, visit our website www.lantechsoft.com.